Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey! Oh, go, 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 go! He shot himself, shot himself! He shot himself!
What you got?
Oh, shot himself!
Come back here.
Hey!
We have shots fired.
He put it in his head.
On his head.
Roll EMS.
Roll EMS if you can. Civilian should be clear in about 5 seconds. Execute, execute, execute.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Hold what you got.
Hold what you got!
Hold what you got. Come back here.
Hey, pull back, pull back!
Alright, we have shots fired. By the suspect. On his head. On his head. Roll EMS if you can.
Watch out, crossfire, crossfire.
Still have a mechanical breathing. Still mechanical breathing. All right, hold on. We got the gun on the floorboard over here, guys.
Yeah, I got gloves. I got gloves on.
All right, grab it.
Back up that way. Somebody grab it right
I got
here.
it. I got it.
All right,
Come in.
go.
Clear.
All right.
Leave it like this. Yeah. I'm gonna lock it. Not even clear. Yeah. No, that's John.
Execute, execute, execute.
Rifle, rifle, rifle!
What you got? Come back here. Come back here.
Pull back, pull back!
Alright, we have shots fired. By the suspect. On his head. On his head. Roll EMS if you can.
The gloves. Where's the weapon? Not in here. It's not in here. I don't see it. It probably fell down by his feet.
Yeah. Do you mean go on the front windshield here?
It's locked. Here.
Unlock it.
The door's unlocked.
Hey, try doors unlocked. Hey, we're gonna have to secure the weapon before EMS gets here anyway. So.
Let go.
You still have a mechanical breathing. Still mechanical breathing.
Yep.
We got the gun on the floorboard over here, guys.
You got it in the floorboard?
Back up that way. Somebody grab it.
All right, they got it. They got it.
There you go.
Okay.
Still mechanical breathing.
Who's this? U.S. Marshal says on the front.
I think is this yours?
Is yours? No, that's John.
They got the gun already?
Yes.
You're on the floorboard.